पहला मैच होने वाला है डिफेंडिंग चैंपियंस रत्नागिरी जेट्स वर्सेस छत्रपति संभाजी किंग्स।
के पहले सीएसके की बात करते हैं बिकॉज दे वन द टॉस। मुर्तजा द स्किपर विल कम आउट टू बैट। द सौरभ ओंकार खटपे, दिग्विजय पाटिल will hold the fort once again, and thanks to his prowess batting they got to 200, and that's why maybe they felt that they want to bat first. And on the other side, Azam Kazi, the skipper, would be looking to lead a team, so make sure that the CSK doesn't get anywhere close to that 200. Mazedari mukabla rahega.
Saurabh Navale, the right-handed batter, along with Murtuza Trankwala, the skipper. It's Vijay Paule, who's yet to bowl. He did not bowl in the last match, but he's a star across Maharashtra.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Oh, hitting the bat nicely. But it's Saurabh Navale who was showing intentions. The first 6 overs, the field restrictions, they'll have to make the most of it.
Pradeep Dana is really impressed. He's a tall lad. He's a big lad. Lovely run up. Nice action.
Takes the inside edge. Lucky, and will get 4 to end the first over. 7 for no loss, CSK. Comes down the track in the air. Chance for the fielder at short third. Can be difficult but taken. Nice and easy. So Saurabh Navale trying to up the ante. Divyang Hingnekar, first ball. Oh, beaten, nicely bowled. Appeal given. Murtuza Trankwala is not happy with that, but he will have to walk back. Divyang Hingnekar has sent.
To play a fast bowler out is be at the non-strikers end.
Nicely played this time.
Oh, nicely played. Another boundary.
Goes again. Fielder will be a spectator. Yes, this time over the infield. Expensive over. 18 runs of it.
And you almost called it, and that's a 6. And this time, once again Onkar, and this time once again 6.
Peace. Against the spinners, you need to use your own strength.
And up and over. Perfect knock here for CSK.
Good shot that. In the air, but over the mid-off fielder. What a shot that is from.
Out of the hand. Using his feet. Timed it beautifully.
Down the leg side, nicely connected. No first match. Oh, smart batting. He knew exactly where the fielders.
To him. Because when he came, 2 wickets were down. Stayed at the wicket, and now look at it. And if you back your strength, then this is the kind of... and these two have done a brilliant job for their team. Onkar Khatpe, contribution 57. Digvijay Patil, 40. 6 sixes. Future ahead of him. Beautifully played. There was room outside the off stump. 180 and 200. What the head coach said, and that's the wicket. That's the wicket they were looking for.
Circle. Oh, bowled! What a ball! That was a peach of a delivery.
He was just looking for that for this young man. It's 133 for 4 after 16.
Comes Nikit Dumar, swept and swept well. There he goes, chance now for the fielder at long on. Easy catch, taken. First over. And there we go again of the last ball. Rajwardhan Hangarkar gets off the mark. As he connected that one, yes, in the gap. Nice shot to the fielder at long off. Will cut it out. Rajwardhan wanted a second run, and it never looked like it existed. What a brilliant throw. Full toss as he connected. Yes, he has.
Well, slow ball, the extra bit of bounce doing the trick.
Short ball again in the air. Chance. The fielder at covers comes under it and taken. So 2 out of 2. Short ball. Oh, nicely bowled. And it's going to be a team hat trick there. And he'll get a run for sure.
Jets were looking for. Certainly, we've got a great contest on our hands. started off slow. The CSK side, Saurabh Murtaza not getting into double figures. Omkar 68.
Third wicket partnership, Omkar and Digvijay Patil. 118 of 80. They were 8 for 2, and then
Don't lose too many wickets. This time, room outside the off stump. Bad fielding there. This is the kind of a surface where the bowlers. सकता हूं. Short ball, बढ़िया shot. इस बार short delivery outside the off stump. और यही बात हम कर.
In length, everything has to be perfect. This time, once again, of Krish over here. Yes, a test. Indeed, it is, and he gets a. इस बार फिर एक बार, and यहाँ पर mid off, बड़ा आसान सा catch. This time gets a boundary over there. This time didn't quite time it. What's going to happen? Oh, brilliant effort! What a catch there!
What a catch. Preetham Patil went after that one. Top edge. Oh, wow. Look at that. Beautiful catch. Well done, youngster. You batted well in.
Yes, we have a verdict.
28 not out in the second game. And he continues from there.
And drives that one brilliantly through the covers. Gets a boundary. This time, once again, pulls that one. Gets a boundary.
Made sure that he doesn't make him uncomfortable. Another bad delivery. Room outside the off stump. Shot. Another boundary. Hat-trick of boundary. कदमों का इस्तेमाल. जबरदस्त शॉट. इस बार 6 रन. और इस बार राउंड द विकेट. एक और बड़ी हिट. एक और 6. पैड्स पर डालने की
उससे भी अच्छी. ओ फाइन लेग सर्कल के अंदर है, सिर्फ दिशा दिखा रही थी और वो किया है धीरज पतंगरे ने.
के सिर के ऊपर से गया गेंद और पीछे मुड़ के भागना है. हवा भी चल रही है बाहर. करेक्ट टाइमिंग के साथ.
Shams Qazi comes into the attack and there's a chance and he picks up a wicket.
बना सकते हैं. अच्छी गेंदबाजी यहाँ पर. ओहो, बड़ा कॉल हो सकता है यहाँ पर. काफी क्लोज है पर बिल्कुल डिसिंग है. बेल्स ऊपर नहीं आए. ये
The right decision of not out.
in the MPL second season, chance always difficult. Short ball pulled in the gap. Goes for the big swing on the leg side. Is it fine? Yes.
Understanding the value of your wickets. Boundary again.
Things warming up. Oh, reverse sweep there. Ulta fatka. And that's 4 runs.
But Divyang was also ready there. And this time around.
चाहिए. कमाल का शॉट यहाँ पर. अजीम काजी शॉट और ये 50 के जो कंप्लीट किए उस पर भी एक चौका मारा उन्होंने.
इस बार फिर एक बार पटकी हुई गेंद. हवा में गेंद वहां पर शॉट फाइन लेग पर और ये कैच आउट. Change it. No, he won't. No, he won't. He gets a boundary so far. This time uppercut once again. That's a 6.
Premier League.
This time whacks that one and one bounce into the boundary. This time down the ground and that's it. Down the highest successful chase in MPL. 8th win in MPL. 7th successive win in MPL. They are a champion team and they have won this game by 5 wickets. Well done. Badi ji disappointed with the loss. This is what happened in the game. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings made 188 for 9 in their 20 overs. Omkar and Digvijay Patil starred with the bat. Nikit 3 for 47 and Pradeep 2 for 18. In their reply, Ratnagiri Jets chased down the target in 8